did you just came all the way from Hangzhou to see this? Only thing thinking is my bank account. So which character is this? I'm heading somewhere very special. If you're new here, please welcome, and if you're returning subscribers, please welcome back, and I love you so much. And please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And guess what, where I'm going today? So guys, today I'm going to board a Louis Vuitton ship in Shanghai without a yacht ticket. Yes guys, you heard me right, I'm going to board a Louis Vuitton ship in Shanghai. It's a new cruise in Shanghai, it's a new sport, and I'm super excited to explore it. You know, no passports, no boarding pass, it's just the delusion of luxury. So yeah, stay there, I'm on my way and I can't wait to get there.
She go shine, she go loud, precious time, high ground, carry her crown. To show face when don't look like she, but her spirit strong like baobab tree. Children they see hope for her song, them they learn say them belong. Precious they teach with fire and grace, breaking silence, filling space. No fake smile, no fake embrace, real fire they heart chase. Them no savvy waiting they inside, them no see the love she they hide, but she they here, she still they alive, teaching dreams we go survive. Oh na na na, precious time.
The traffic is too much today, too much traffic in Shanghai. Wanna get me some Tesla? Welcome aboard LV 2025. And the only thing thinking is my bank account. As you can see behind me guys, it's giving luxury. I mean, a lot of people, it's insane here. People are coming to take pictures. I mean, it's so beautiful and it's giving luxury and expensive money. I mean, expensive life. So let me show you guys.
As I walked up to this Titanic of fashion, I asked myself one thing: what if this ship sails away with my wallet? Let's find out. By the way, this is not just a store, this is the floating museum of I can't afford, but let me touch it anyway.
Look at that. Look at that. This is LV boat cruise. This is LV ship cruise in Shanghai, the newest sport, you know. So guys, let's go there and find out. I'm curious to see what's inside, so let's go inside and find out what's there. Hi guys, so guys, I met one amazing beautiful girl. Hi, what's your name?
My name is Icy.
Icy. So Icy, are you from Shanghai?
No, I'm from Hangzhou.
Hangzhou, wow. So did you just came all the way from Hangzhou to see this?
Yes.
Oh, really? So when you first saw it, I believe you saw it on the internet, right?
Yeah.
So what do you think about this architecture, this ship structure?
I think it's really like gigantic ship.
Yes.
Also, I never see this like shape of like store before. So,
I know.
So it's really good.
It's beautiful, right?
Yeah, it's amazing.
So do you think it's gonna attract more tourists in Shanghai?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
It's crowded.
Oh yeah, it's very crowded, guys, as you can see. Oh my God, thank you so much. One more question.
Okay.
If you could buy one thing from the store, what would it be?
Maybe a bag.
A bag?
Yes.
Yes, team bag, guys. much.
Thank you.
You're so beautiful.
Thank you, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Zhang Rui.
Zhang Rui. Are you Chinese?
Yes.
Oh yeah. So when you first saw this boat cruise, what first came to your mind? What were you thinking when you first saw it? I believe you saw it on internet, right?
Yes.
So what were you thinking?
I think this is very beautiful and
Yes.
very strong.
It's beautiful, right?
Yes, yes.
So would you rather take vacation inside the ship?
Okay.
Of course.
Yes.
Yes. And we're here with the, with the friend. Please say hi. Just say hi. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Alright, bye bye.
Bye bye.
So let's go up there and see what's popping. Let's see what's up there. So many people here. So guys, basically inside here is just some stores, you know, some shops. So let's go and find out. Welcome aboard, guys.
Step inside with my head held high. Dreams for pocket, faith for eye. Precious Elizabeth named they fly. Tanzania spirit under China sky. Them fit on face, but she go still day. Whispers loud, but she no go sway. Every no be fire.
So guys, this is what the inside looks like. Yeah, it looks like a normal shopping mall with a lot of stores, you know. It's giving a shopping day. The luxury LV ship. Nothing extra. It's just a good spot for pictures, Instagram pictures and all that.
For rain and doubt. Stronger every time them try cast her out. She go shine, she go loud. Precious stand her ground, carry her crown. Poster show face when no look like she, but her spirit strong like baobab tree. Children.
So I was just minding my business, then boom, I was surrounded by people with rainbow wigs, cat ears, swords, and eyeliner sharper than my future. I mean, did I just step in anime dimension?
Neha, you look so beautiful. You look like anime. You can show English, ma?
Yes.
Can you speak English?
Yes. Yes.
Wow, you look good. So which character is this?
Frina.
Frina.
Yes.
From which movie? Which anime?
Genshin.
Genshin.
Yes.
Oh my God, look at you. So what's going on here? Because I see a lot of people are dressing like you.
It's an activity about Genshin and
animes.
and a kind of drink.
Oh. Wow. So where's the activity? Where is it? Nali? Zainali? Zainali?
Here, over.
Oh, it's here. Okay, thank you. What's your name?
My name Fufu.
Fufu.
Yes.
Okay, nice to meet you, Fufu. You
to
look
meet
good,
you
by
too.
the way. Oh, that's you. Wow. Oh my God, you look like anime. Let's stick together. Okay, bye bye. Thank you.
I was so curious, then I followed the crowd like a detective in an episode of Naruto and Gossip Girl. And guess what I found? Blind boxes, tears, drama, and emotions.
Wow, you look good. So what's this? Which anime is this? 你可以说 English 吗？不行，要打开翻译。You guys, can you speak English? No. Oh my god, you guys looks like anime. Guys, it's insane. Oh hi, you look so beautiful. Can you speak English? You can show English 吗 What's your name? Carrie. So which character is this? 你今天穿什么？
这个角色是谁？
Yeah.
我不知道该怎么说啊。这个 she don't know how to speak English about.
Maybe I'm asking her like what character is she wearing?
哦，你讲中文就好，你讲中文就。
你可以说中文，我可以听得懂一点一点。
第五人格的舞女。
你喜欢这个 character 吗？这个哦 nice。你的名字是谁 ？Carrie。你叫什么名字？What's your name? Karen. Oh, nice to meet you. Thank you. Bye bye. So actually people are putting on those makeup and dressing up and then they come here to take pictures with their favorite animes. Yo! Crazy. Oh, you look good. I like your makeup. Is it an anime? Anime, yeah. 这个东西。
对对对对对。
是谁？
Bleach.
Rich. From which movie? 在哪个movie?
Sorry,
Okay. Wow, you look cute though. I like the piercings.
Oh, yes.
Can I get a little bit? I just want to see your makeup.
Okay.
Oh wow. Thank you. Look at that.
Then I came across to this lady sitting on the floor, looked so hopeless, and I was so curious to know what's going on. So basically everyone was buying characters in mysterious tiny boxes, tiny packs, hoping to get their favorite one. And these ladies here, unfortunate for them, they didn't get one, their favorite, the one they wanted. So they had to put down and look for people to exchange with. I had a little talk with one of them.
Oh yeah. So what's this?
They're just bought from that.
From there.
Yeah. Okay. And there are a lot of roles in the anime, so these are not my favorite roles. So I was thinking maybe someone has a good exchange. So that's why people are here.
So it's like you buy it, but you don't know what's inside.
Yeah.
Oh, so now these are not your favorites. So what are these exactly?
There are also the roles in the anime, but maybe they are other people's favorite roles, but not mine. So if they got that, we can have an exchange.
Yeah. So which one is your favorite?
So I can show you. Actually, it's like my favorite role. Yeah.
What's the name? What's the name?
It's a little bit.
Gosh, you can speak Chinese.
Okay. His guy Atoll Show.
Atoll Show.
Yeah.
From which movie?
The Bleach.
Bleach. Looks
It's
looks
not a
like this is
movie.
the new. Oh.
It's a Japanese anime.
I know. Yeah.
So.
Oh, so this is your favorite.
Yeah.
Oh, so are you gonna buy another one?
Not really. I
You
have.
just look for someone to change with.
Yeah.
So how much are they?
So I bought all the stuff for 300.
300.
Yeah.
Oh, 300. Wow, nice. Maybe you should walk around. You might find someone.
Maybe. So you're doing Vuitton?
Yes, I have my YouTube channel.
Okay.
Yeah, nice to meet you. What's your name?
Aries.
Aries. You're so nice. Thank you.
Yeah, good luck.
Okay. Bye bye. Oh, so they also maybe they still
Yeah, they also
they want to exchange. Oh. So guys, actually they bought these animes and now they didn't like it. It's not their favorite, so they are looking for people to exchange. Wow. Crazy. It's crazy, guys. It's crazy. Absolutely crazy. So if you're not happy with what you have bought, you can go and find someone and exchange it.
Judge if you want, judge her. Turn back if you want time. But precious, the year they build her dream. Black Bull, Tanzania, they born. Precious stand her ground, she no go far. Plant her roots, rise above all. Different color, but heart not same. Then no fee wash away her name. She stand her ground through rain and doubt. Stronger every time them try cast her out. She go shine, she go loud. Precious stand her ground, carry her crown.
That was it for today's video. Thank you for watching and please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And yeah, I love you so much guys and see you on the next video. Peace.